Good morning, new teachers. I am going to do a tutorial today on how to access the Detroit Public Schools Community District website. The first thing to do is go to Google, do a Detroit Public Schools search, and will be the first one that comes up, detroitk12.org. Access the website, and you'll be brought to the home page. When you're brought to the home page, you'll have to go up to the search engine and put in the word hub. This will allow you to access your complete dashboard of resources available through Detroit Public Schools. Once you get to this page, click on Visit Hub, Detroit Public Schools, and you will access this page. Once you get to this page, you will have to put in your complete email address and the password that they give you. Once you do that, simply log in, or not, re-put in your password, and log in. This is your dashboard. You will find all the buttons for the resources that you are going to need this year. I'm going to focus on a few of them in my next tutorial.